Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Apple's latest release, the much-anticipated AirPods 4. Apple's AirPods have long set the standard for wireless earbuds, but how do the fourth-generation AirPods hold up? Are they worth the upgrade? In this review, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the AirPods 4, including new features, design changes, sound quality, and more. Stick around to find out if these are the right earbuds for you. Let's start with the design. Apple has given the AirPods 4 a slight refresh, keeping their iconic look but with a few subtle updates. They're now a bit more compact than the previous generation, offering a snug fit that's perfect for all-day comfort. The stems are shorter, giving them a sleeker profile that's closer to the AirPods Pro look, without the need for silicone tips. Apple fans looking for an updated design will love this more modern, minimalist approach. Now, let's get into the features that set the AirPods 4 apart. Apple has upgraded the hardware with a new H2 chip, which enhances connectivity, sound processing, and overall performance. This chip brings significant improvements to audio quality and noise reduction. And speaking of noise, while these don't offer active noise cancellation like the AirPods Pro, they still manage to filter out much of the background noise for a more immersive listening experience. Another exciting update? Battery life. The AirPods 4 give you up to 6 hours of listening time on a single charge. That's about an hour more than the previous model. And with the charging case, you're looking at a total of 30 hours, which is perfect for those who are always on the go. Plus, they now support USB-C charging, a welcome change for anyone looking to streamline their charging setup. So, how do the AirPods 4 actually perform? We tested them with a variety of music genres, podcasts, and even phone calls. Right away, you'll notice the enhanced bass response. Whether you're listening to pop, rock, or electronic music, the low end sounds fuller and richer than on previous models. Vocals are crisp and clear, and there's a noticeable boost in overall sound clarity, thanks to that new H2 chip. Apple has clearly fine-tuned these earbuds to offer a more balanced, high-quality listening experience. For calls, the AirPods 4 also perform impressively. The new beamforming microphones filter out background noise and enhance voice clarity, so whether you're in a noisy environment or on a quick call at home, the person on the other end will hear you loud and clear. Apple has made connecting the AirPods 4 easier than ever. They seamlessly pair with all your Apple devices, thanks to automatic device switching. Jumping from your iPhone to your Mac or iPad, the transition is smooth and virtually instant. And with spatial audio compatibility, these AirPods give you that immersive surround sound experience for movies and shows on Apple TV Plus or your iPad. Let's break down some of the pros and cons. The pros are clear: improved audio quality, better battery life, seamless connectivity, and a comfortable, updated design. The USB-C charging is also a great addition, especially for those already using other Apple products with USB-C. As for the cons, these AirPods lack active noise cancellation and aren't quite as customizable in terms of fit, which might be a consideration for those used to the silicone tips of the AirPods Pro. So, are the AirPods 4 worth it? If you're an Apple fan or someone who values quality audio and convenience, these earbuds are a fantastic choice. They're comfortable, sound great, and offer some impressive new features, all at a price point that's still more affordable than the Pro model. For anyone looking for a reliable, high-quality pair of earbuds for daily use, the AirPods 4 could be just what you're looking for. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the AirPods 4. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments, would you consider upgrading to the AirPods 4? Or are you sticking with your current earbuds? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, happy listening.